there's an easy way to laminate stickers and there's a hard way. The easy way is to buy clear laminating sheets like these ones that I have from Royal Elements, and all they are is a single side of crystal clear PVC waterproof material, and they're 9" by 12". So what you'll want to do is take your entire sheet of stickers, saying you're printing them off. This is Royal Elements printable vinyl. You can find them on Amazon, and you stick them over top of your sticker sheets. You'll notice that the laminating sheet behind is 9" by 12", and the sticker sheet here is a full-size 8.5 by 11" sheet. So that is the easy way, and I'll get into that in just a second. The hard way is to take all of your individual stickers, cut them out, and then try and cut out individual laminating pieces for each sticker. So you'll go in and you'll take your scissors and you'll try and cut them all out, and that takes a lot more time. It's a lot harder to do, and it's just more of a headache. So the easy way is to take your laminating sheets, and like I said at the beginning of the video, laminating sheets should be larger than your entire sticker, and that is where Royal Elements clear laminating sheets really comes in, because they're 9" by 12" each sheet, and you'll get 20 sheets specifically made for stickers, and you'll be able to find that in the link in the description below. So what I will do is I usually take the laminating sheet, as you see it's clear, and as you can see I just flipped it on its back, okay, and then that's so the sticky side is facing up. And what I'll do is I will put the stickers face down and I will squeegee. I just have a nice little squeegee tool. You can use a credit card, you can use a cloth, it really doesn't matter. And this is to make sure, one, the stickers stay flat, and two, you get all the air bubbles out. So that really makes it easy. And once you have that, you'll notice that the laminating sheet kind of goes a little bit over top, and the reason I did it face down is because if I were to stick this down, then it'll be really annoying collecting all the dirt and stuff that is on my desk. But having flipped it right side up, well, the adhesive side up, and then sticking the stickers down, that way they are nice and stuck, and there's no problem with the adhesive getting all over the back side and just picking up debris and stuff like that. So now what you'll do is you'll go in and you'll trim each individual sticker. So say we want to trim this little koala bear, and you will just trim closely to the edge. And what you'll do after cutting out the sticker is you will just peel off the backing of the original sticker. That way you'll be able to stick it on. It'll be completely waterproof, dishwasher safe. It will also be UV resistant, so the sun will not fade the ink if you printed this off of your home printer using either Royal Elements printable vinyl or whatever sticker paper you're working with. And another benefit of using clear laminating sheets is that, as you can tell, it now has a reflective shine to it. It'll reflect light and it'll make it look super cool and glossy, and often that is what people want because it looks nicer, has a higher quality look to it, and it's super protective, and it's thicker now too, just giving it a better weighted feel overall. So once you cut out the stickers, you will now peel off the backing. So I'm peeling the backing sheet away, and there we go, a lamination sheet, then the sticker itself that we printed, and then the back is adhesive. So we can stick it on whatever we want. So if I come over here and I have this journal and I want to stick on a sticker, there we go. Nice and stuck on. Waterproof, dishwasher safe. So if you want instead to put your sticker maybe on a tumbler, okay? And by the way, our printable vinyl is removable, so if you want to stick it, peel it off, won't leave any debris, and then you can go ahead and stick it on whatever you want. And this way, you might, this way you'll be good to go. So it'll be waterproof, dishwasher safe. You can put it on bumper stickers, pretty much anything. And it's got a high gloss lamination to it, so it looks nice and shiny. Whereas before, I don't know if you could tell, but the stickers that I printed out were matte, so they weren't actually glossy. And this will allow you to have a nice glossy look. So if you're interested, go ahead and pick up a pack of Royal Elements clear laminating sheets. They're available on Amazon. If you type in Royal Elements laminating sheets on Amazon, or go to amazon.com/Royal Elements, or visit us at our website at royalelements.com. You'll be able to find everything you need, from printable vinyl, sticker paper, adhesive vinyl, like this stuff here, or clear laminating sheets. It'll all be available there. So that is the tutorial on how to use laminating sheets and laminate your stickers to waterproof them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe to the channel for future updates.